Ountry.
So how's it going, guys? We are starting our day off after going down to our grandparents, and over here Jared's got some rods already out. He's getting more rods. I'm about to go help him after we start this thing. Alright, guys, so we got the fence all up. Well, Jared, Paco did.
Yeah, Paco got the fence up.
We're mounting this post right here. Got that gate, that post, all this fencing. When we get this gate up, you'll see this is going to happen right in front of you guys. Ready? Whoa, that quick. That's because of this guy right here.
That looks a Jared.
Jared.
What?
Paco did the work.
Yeah.
You did a good job. Got all the fencing right there. We just need to close that part and that part right there. Otherwise, we got the gate hanging good. It's perfect. You can open it. Doesn't slide on ground. Just gonna put that in right there. Put the board across to hang stuff on, like tools for gardening. And basically, guys, that is all for that. Let's go like this right here. But we're about to go eat, right?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Dago Bro Bear. I'm running a level 3 hurricane. Nah, just messing with you. Okay.
All right, and my job right now is to clean this whole area. I'm gonna set up a time lapse of us doing this, and we'll see what we got from there. Bye. Wait, let's get this time lapse started off a good way. How? Let's do the Cujo spin.
Yeah.
Just show him we can do it. How's it going, Dago Bros? Right now, we're taking a break. We're out of energy drinks. So me and Paco are heading down to the Quickie Mart type thing.
We're on a mission from God.
To get some monsters. Let's resume in the parking lot. You ready?
We're on a mission from God.
How's it going? Now we're here. We're breaking one side. It's kind of windy. There's your naga. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. You going to AM/PM from now on?
No, I'm going to Chevron now.
Ountry. Ountry.